So I hit this little guy with my car by accident. He was flopping the road. I couldn't leave him in the middle of the road, so I picked him up. I'm going to take him to maybe a pet store, see if I get him some help. See if somebody will help him out. But he seems alive, but he may have got some internal damage, I don't know. Pretty chill little bird. See? Probably broke something. Poor dude. I had him in my hand for a while, just coping him. He liked that. It was like a bird nest, you know what I'm saying? I might put him back in my hand. Luna. Hey, Luna. Here's the birdie. So I tried taking this bird to pet store, and they won't take him. So I'm bringing him over here by the lake, big old lake there. I'm gonna let him go at the lake. Let's go this way, though. Come on, that ain't a good spot. We're gonna go up here and let him go. That way he can have water. But he's starting to get his movement back. It feels like, or seems like. I don't know, it's the best I could do. He did drink some water. I put some water in a little bottle cap and gave it to him. He drank it. So, let him come. Come on, baby. Up here. Up here. We're gonna let him go up here, probably. There's some squirrels there. Let's go this way. Come on. Yeah. Little birdie. I'm gonna go over here. I think this is a good spot. Alright, I think this is where I'm gonna let him go at, right here. See the lake's right here. And he's got some land right here. I'm just gonna put him up here. Hopefully he regains his strength back. Go on, buddy. Oh wow, there he goes. Look at there. He's flying away. Ain't that something? That's cool. I thought he was really hurt, but he can fly. That is so badass. And this is a good spot for him. That was cool.